Now, how do we know if it's all working? This brings us to a critical stage, measuring impact. This section is all about analyzing the data to understand the true performance of our influencer partnerships and ensuring we're driving real, measurable results for our brand. Tracking important metrics like followers, engagements, sales, discount codes, referrals, affiliate link clicks, revenue, and the amount of user-generated content UGC are all crucial for painting a complete picture of your campaign's effectiveness. Platforms like Upfluence are indispensable. Its dashboards provide real-time insights into your campaign's performance, helping you attribute sales, understand engagement trends, and optimize your partnerships for profitability. For a detailed walkthrough on measuring workflow and campaign performance directly within Upfluence, refer to the supplementary video or information in your course materials. While powerful platforms like Upfluence and Webfluential serve as excellent professional search engines for finding and analyzing millions of influencer profiles, they're not your only option. You can also opt for full-service influencer agencies that manage the entire process for you, acting as a dedicated team to connect brands with vetted talent. Alternatively, you can take a more direct approach by leveraging social media apps themselves. Simply exploring relevant hashtags and content in your niche can help you discover potential partners, and then reaching out via direct messages, DMs, can be a straightforward way to initiate conversations. The key is to understand these different avenues, from powerful platforms to agency support and direct outreach, and choose the one that best aligns with your brand's resources, desired involvement, and overall strategy. We've covered everything from understanding what influencer marketing is and finding the right partners to setting smart goals, managing budgets, and measuring your success. You also learned about contracts and building strong relationships. Now, you should feel confident in knowing how to find, approach, and collaborate with the right influencers to genuinely boost your brand and connect with new audiences.